Imeya yaseGruleni ithi sesitholakele isixazululo mayelana nenkinga yohlelo lokukhokhela izinsiza zikamasipala kanti izakhamuzi seyizothola izitatimende ezilingene lokhu ezikusebenzisile.
Our automated meter reading accuracy now stands at an impressive 97% compared to the 84% when the infraction was taken over by ICT. This is a critical achievement. It means residents have confidence that their meters are being read correctly.
Uthi esigamini sesibili kulonyaka wezimali idolobha likwazile ukuqoqa imali elinganiselwa ku600 million wamarandi ebikade ikweletwa izakhamuzi.
In the second quarter of this financial year, we have collected over 648.7 million from these historic accounts, an improvement of 283 million from the first quarter. Out of the total identified value of approximately 2.1 billion, we have to date successfully billed nearly 1.8 billion rand.
Uqhakaza uthi zonke izinsolo zenkohlakalo ezibhekiswe kuleli dolobha kanye nasemaphoyiseni kamasipala okubalwa kuzo noJulius Mkhwanazi ezivele eKhomishaneni kaMadlanga zizophinde ziphenywe yikomiti langasese eliqondisa igwegwe.
We have then instituted the process internally through our governance system to ensure that all the issues that are raised, we investigate them.
Uqhakaza uxwayise laba abebekade behlomula ngamaholo nakuba bebengaqashiwe ngaphansi komnyango wezempilo ukuba baziveze njengoba kukhona okusina kubajeqeza.
To those who benefited, they must come forward. The Ziveze program, come forward and make arrangements because the back billing program is gonna catch up with you.
Amaqembu ezombusazwe aphawule ngalendlela ngenkulumo yemeya namhlanje.
The speech of the mayor was flat. I feel like it was not really talking to the issues of people of Ekurhuleni, because you can't say you have resolved the IT issue whilst the residents of Ekurhuleni are being billed incorrectly.
No, look, it's a state of no city. He has spoken and touched base on what we can take more than anything. The acknowledgement of the EFF participants in the mayoral committee for the past 2 years.